Okay, dear student, today we're going to discuss chapter 4 reproductive health NCERT revision. So, reproductive health means the person or individual or total well being in all aspects of reproduction. That is called reproductive health. That means physically, emotional, behavioral, and social. They all are healthy. That is called reproductive health. So in the reproductive health we discuss many problems and how they cope with this problem, their prevention and control, what is the methods that is used for infertility. So all these things. So there is a first word amniocentesis, very important. This method used early detection of chromosomal abnormalities in the fetus and genetic disorders like hemophilia and color blindness. So early detection that you can cure that earlier. So the disadvantage of this amniocentesis method that it is used to detect the sex determination of the that is embryo, so that increase the chance of female feticide. So that is a disadvantage of this method amniocentesis. There is a word Saheli that is used commonly used more used contraceptive pills and more famous between the females. So this is non-steroidal contraceptive pills that is discovered by the CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute, that is located in the Lucknow. So, how you developed reproductive health by awareness and information about sexually transmitted diseases and medical facilities nowadays that is increases. So, in that way, you can cope with the health related problem. Population explosion and birth control. So the region population explosion means the increase the size of population very rapidly. That is called population explosion. The region of population is explosion. They increase the medical facilities, assisted reproductive technologies, sexually transmitted diseases awareness and information, their prevention and controls. They decline the rate of MMR maternal mortality rate, very important, and IMR infant mortality rate. Why? Due to the improvement of the medical facilities. That's the reason of increase of population size very rapidly. Marriageable age, that is female 18 years and for the male that is 21 year. For using a contraceptive pills, it can be user friendly, easily available, and less side effect and reversible methods. So that is a family the good character of the contraceptive pills, contraceptive methods. So there is a many method that is used to prevention of the unwanted pregnancies. Natural method, barrier methods, IUDs, contraceptive pills, injectable, and surgical method. So first one we going to discuss very important natural method. First, there is periodic abstinence. Periodic abstinence means that avoid the coitus or intercourse during the time of most fertile period. That most fertile period, that is 10 to 17 days after the menstrual cycle, because in this period there is highly chance of release of ovum, that is ovulation. So chance of fertilization is high. So avoid the intercourse at that 10 to 17 days between. Okay. Next one, that is withdraw coitus or coitus interruptus. The coitus interruptus withdraw the penis before the insemination or into the vagina of female. So that is called coitus interruptus. Lactational amenorrhea, very important, the absence of menstrual cycle. The method is based on that during this period ovulation and menstrual cycle does not occur. So that period is called in during intense lactation when mother feed the baby. So that period is up to 6 months. So this method is usable up to 6 months. That is called lactational amenorrhea. Very important. Next one, that is barrier method based on the ovum sperm mating, that is physical mating of over and sperm. That barrier method male both used by the male and females. Male generally used, that is condom. That method thin rubber sheet like structure covered over the penis. So during the time of insemination, that sperm semen not released into the uterus of the female. So fertilization does not occur in the female. It is also barrier method also having more extra advantages, that it is beneficial for the protection and contracting the STD and AIDS. Sexually transmitted diseases also prevent, and AIDS also the prevention by using barrier method. In the female, the diaphragm, cervical cap, and vault that is used, which is covered the cervix during the time of coitus. So sperm cannot reach to the uterus. So fertilization cannot occur and blocking the entry of sperm. Very important. Next method, IUDs, intrauterine contraceptive device या intrauterine devices. There is many type of devices like non-medicated, lips loop, copper releasing IUDs, copper T carbon 7, multilode 375, very important, are hormonal IUDs, progestat and LNG20. So that is copper containing IUD. The function it increase the phagocytosis of the sperm and release of copper and suppress the sperm motility and fertilizing capacity. Very important. Hormonal IUDs that make the condition of uterus unfavorable for the implantation. Also, cervix make hostile for the sperm so that sperm cannot enter into the uterus. Next, that is most widely accepted method between the female. Oral administration, oral contraceptive pill that is used containing hormone progestrogens and progestogen or estrogen, both are combination. So these pills are taken 21 days regularly after the menstrual cycle and start from the same day. It the function that inhibit the ovulation and implantation that make the condition of uterus unfavorable and make the mucus of cervix thick, so that retard the entry of sperm. Same, very important. Pills are very effective and lesser side effect, well accepted by the female. Saheli, that is non-steroidal contraceptive pills, which is taken once in a week. Very important point. 72 hour that contraceptive pills that used during time of emergency that containing hormones that progestrogens and estrogens combination. It is used as emergency contraceptives to avoid the unwanted pregnancy. Next one, sterilization surgical method. This is generally advised for the male and female partners to block the transfer of the gamete transport. So there were prevention of conception. So there are two methods, tubectomy and vasectomy. So in the tubectomy, the small part of the fallopian tube and cut and tight so that avoid the transport of the ovum, and that is vasectomy, that part in the male vas difference is cut and tight so the sperm cannot transport. That two method, tubectomy and vasectomy. Next one, that is MTP, medical termination of pregnancy, also called intentional voluntary termination of pregnancy before the full growth of the child. That is called MTP. MTP is effective up to first trimester, that means up to 12 week. Very important point. This MTP are legalized in very restricted condition. That condition is during the time when continuation of the pregnancy is harmful both mother and both the child. So that in this case this can be legal, or during the time of uh, rape cases that MTP can be legalized. Okay. Sexually transmitted diseases, that diseases transmitted one person to another person during the time of unsafe unprotected sexual intercourse, that is called sexually transmitted diseases, also known as venereal diseases, VD, also called RTI, reproductive tract infection. That diseases called gonorrhea, syphilis, AIDS, chlamydiasis, genital wart, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B. That that most dangerous the HIV/AIDS we discuss in later chapters. That like hepatitis B and HIV can be transmitted in another ways like in injection needle, surgical instruments, and from mother to fetus. So that exception hepatitis B, genital wart, HIV, all others are completely curable. So how you prevent that sexually transmitted diseases, like about the sex of unknown partners using methods, contraceptive methods, and education, awareness, information about the sexually transmitted disease. Infertility, that means the male and female are not able to produce healthy gamete or ovum, sperm. So that is cause many causes of infertility: poor health aspects, bad habits, that medical, that stress, and many medical aspects also. So how you overcome with the this infertility? By using ART, assisted reproductive technology. So first one, that in vitro fertilization. In vitro means outside fertilization take place outside the body of the female. So by you giving the suitable condition, fertilization take place in a tube. That's why it is called test tube baby. Taking a sperm and ovum from the healthy individuals and fertilize the fertilized outside the body. That is called in vitro fertilization. After the fertilization, when zygote is formed, when zygote is 8-celled stage, it directly transfer into the fallopian tube. That method is called GIFT, zygote interfallopian transfer. And when the blastoma is more than 8 cell, IUT, intrauterine transfer. Very important. Next one, when the female are not able to produce the healthy ovum, that ovum is collected from the another female and donor female and transfer into the another female. That is called gift gamete interfallopian transfer. But that female which collect the ovum from another female, they are giving the suitable condition environment for the continuation of the pregnancy and fertilization. Next one, intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI. For a embryo laboratory, then sperm that directly injected into the ovum cytoplasm. So fertilization is take place outside in a laboratory condition, that is called ICSI. Artificial insemination are useful by those male having low sperm count in their ejaculates. So artificial insemination, sperm are artificially injected into the uterus of the female, that is called artificial insemination for low sperm count. Intrauterine transfer, in this method also that husband and healthy donor artificially induced either into the vagina and into the uterus, the sperm are directly transfer, semen is directly transfer, that is called intrauterine insemination. So revise all the points. Thank you.